In this video, we're going to make it where each time the player consumes a food item, it affects their needs. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to our food type, and we're going to add a new script called consume. And then inside that script, we're going to do for each key game.needs. So we're just iterating through our game.needs dictionary. And then we're going to do if has attribute this key plus underscore mod. So we're basically checking if the object has a mod for each of the needs. And then if it does, we're going to get that mod. So mod is equal to get attribute this key plus underscore mod. Then we're going to run a script that's attached to the player called mod underscore need. And then we're going to pass in two parameters using quick params. The first one's going to be attribute, and we're going to pass in a key for that one. The second one is going to be mod, and we're going to pass in our mod for that. Then once we run that, the last thing we're going to do is destroy the food item. So we just type in destroy this.name and save. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is actually add mod underscore need to the player. So find where your player is and add mod underscore need. Change that into the script. And the first thing we're going to do is we need to get our current, what our current need is. So current is equal to get attribute this attribute plus underscore current. Then we're going to get what our max is, which is get attribute this plus underscore max. Then underneath that, we're just going to take our current and add it to our mod. Then underneath that, we're going to do if current is greater than max, current is equal to max. So say for instance, if the player has 99 hunger and then they eat the burger and it makes their hunger 101 and the max hunger is 100, it'll just make sure that the hunger never goes past the max, which is 100. So underneath that, we're just going to set the attribute. So this, set this attribute plus underscore current is equal to, well, current. Okay. So save, and we're going to play it to test it out. So let's type in food. So right now all of our needs are at 100. So if I were to drink the water, click consume. Oh, I don't understand your command. Messed something up. Let me go back. Oh, we didn't add it. The command. So up here, we're going to add the command and call it consume underscore command. And the pattern is going to be consume object in between hashtags, and then we'll do capitalize consume object. So down here, we are going to check if consume is in the object's inventory verb. So we're going to do if not list contains object that inventory verbs consume message you can't consume that. Then we're going to do an else statement, and then we're going to do object consume. So now we have to make sure that consume is actually in the inventory verbs, which it is. We made sure of that in the last video, I believe. So now we save, play, and it should work. So let's get some food in here. Okay, just like last time, all of our needs are at 100. So say for instance, if I consume this burger, nothing really changes, but let's wait a little bit. Okay, now all of our needs are a little bit lower, and when we try and eat another burger, our hunger's at 88, so when we consume it, it goes up to 92. If we do the energy drink, energy's 88, consume, 92. 88 thirst, we consume the water, 92. And now, if we consume the poison, it decreases everything. And that's pretty much it for this video.